Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and won't start, you're not alone. This issue can often occur when the battery is faulty or there's a blockage in the system. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage and more costly repairs in the future, so it's essential to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery specific to the Dyson SV12. Start by ensuring your device is unplugged and turned off to avoid any accidents. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to prise open the casing around the battery compartment. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once you have the casing open, locate the battery. It's usually secured by a couple of screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, being careful not to strip them. When the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery from the wiring harness. Take note of how it's connected. You'll need to replicate this with the new battery. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the wiring harness just as you found it. Ensure it is securely in place before replacing the screws. Tighten them gently, you don't want to over-tighten and damage the plastic. Once the battery is secured, carefully replace the casing by aligning the clips and pressing down until you hear them click into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on to check if the red light has stopped flashing. If all goes well, your device should now be back in working order. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your Dyson well maintained will extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.